Morning, everybody. Today I am in Lancaster County and I'm hiking along Kelly's Run Trail, hoping to connect up to Kelly's Run Creek. It's toward the end of May, and I'm kind of hoping that the rhododendrons along these trails are in full bloom, and if they are, that would be great. Love to get some trail shots with the rhododendrons. That could be really nice. Right now it's about 80 degrees, I guess. A little humid. It is raining off and on. Expecting some potential storms, but I'm gonna see if I can get some shots anyway. And so that is the plan for today. So let's move on and enjoy this beautiful spring weather. There's still some wildflowers out, which is kind of cool. It's actually pretty quiet out here, really nice. So I'm gonna spin you around and follow along and just listen to some raindrops and birds and all the wonderful sounds of nature. I believe we have some May apples here. All right, so this is the continuation of the Blue Blaze Trail here. I passed a cross path a little while back. I think I'm going to end up taking that loop trail. I think it goes down to the creek itself. And I think I'm going to go back and head down that loop trail and get down to the creek quicker. And so let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, here's the loop trail. It's actually got a red blaze, which connects up to, I guess, the main red blaze trail. It might be the Conestoga Trail. I'm not 100% sure about that. Trail's a little more intimate compared to the blue. And there are tons of these May apples plants everywhere. Both sides of the trail. Alright, now it's time to descend this rocky trail. And this should lead us down to the creek eventually. Not looking forward to climbing this back up. Though it is a loop trail, I guess I could just go around. Hibiscus. So some early sightings of the rhododendrons. Not in bloom, which is not good. A little discouraging, actually. I was really hoping they were going to be in bloom. I can't tell if I missed it or if I'm early, and it looks like I'm early. Alright, let's keep going. Oh man, that really kind of bums me out here. Alrighty, still making the way down to the creek. Should be able to hear it by now. Try to traverse these rocks here without falling on my ass, which I'm usually pretty good at. Oh, almost down, almost. Alright. I'm down. Man, it's gonna rain. The sweat, I am soaked. Let you take this in for a couple minutes. I think I'm gonna take a break here and take a look upstream. It's actually really nice down here. Just on a side note, here's the trail that I just came down. Give you an idea of how rocky it is. Alrighty, moving on. Let's see what else we can find to photograph. really cool rock formation. It is just absolutely beautiful back here. It really has like a prehistoric vibe back here. Just tremendous. Let me pan up and show you how cool this is. Alrighty, moving on. Slowly making our way around the loop. Another cool little spot here. The bugs are definitely more active here. All right. Yeah, so I just finished hiking up that really steep rock trail, and it just about killed me. Oh man. Even if I was in shape, it wouldn't be that easy. That is brutal. All right. Anyway, as I head out of the jungle, heading back to the car, that's gonna wrap it up for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see everybody at the next video. Peace.